I'm Nolan Beery. I'm the Director of Sales Development here at Acculevel.
Crawlspace encapsulation is a process of sealing and insulating a crawlspace to create a moisture barrier and improve the overall energy efficiency of your home. First, we want to clean up the crawlspace, removing any type of debris such as old insulation, trash from the crawlspace. Then we want to repair any damage. This could be water damage or structural issues such as leaks or sagging floor joists. Then we're going to install a drainage system. This is going to go around the perimeter of the crawlspace, an outlet to a new sump pump and pit. Then we will install a vapor barrier. A thick waterproof plastic sheet is installed over the floors and the walls of the crawlspace. This helps prevent moisture from entering in that crawlspace. Then we're going to install a dehumidifier. Finally, we want to seal any gaps and cracks. We're going to do this in the walls and the floors of the crawlspace to prevent any further moisture intrusions.
If you want to learn more about how we can help your home, whether it's your crawlspace, foundation, or basement, visit us today at Acculevel.com.